So while we're sitting around waiting for a gas fitter, we thought we'd do a little shakedown trip to Bowenville Reserve, which is about 35 k's southeast of Dolby towards Toowoomba, and it's a fairly little bumpy road, so it's a good one to test out how everything rode. Did forget to strap in the fridge, and my desk chair did tip over, but apart from that, everything seemed to travel pretty well. You turn off just before you come into the town of Bowenville, and the reserve is down on the Oakey Creek, just a couple of k's down the road. It is a huge area, looks to be very well maintained, dog friendly, fireplace friendly. Quite a few vans in. It does get very wet here. It is on a black soil flat, so I would just keep that in mind. But looks like a good spot, despite being a gross, miserable, cold, windy day.